Okay, hello again, everyone. Again, I'm Mike McCartan. It's Intermediate Algebra 2. This is the second video. We'll look at the structure in Schoology, a little bit about my teaching style, and a little bit about me. As you go to Schoology, if you go into our course section, the very top thing in there will be a links page. Y'all, that's really the only place you have to go. It'll have the day-by-day listing of a link that takes you into the daily folder of the material for that day. Okay? Underneath there, there'll be folders of the unit materials, and inside those folders are the daily materials with all the materials broken down by each day. And we can go through that the first couple days. But really, y'all, if you just go to that very top page, it's a links page. It has all the links listed right there. Just click on the link and you're in the page. All right? Guys, each daily folder, once you click into the daily folder, there'll be 4 folders there. The first one is a green folder. It has a video in there with a slideshow. All right, also included will be the slideshow itself. It'll be like a PDF document of a PowerPoint, so you can follow along with the video if you want. But the slideshow will be in the video as well. There'll also be 1 page of notes. Each day, I try to get the main concepts onto 1 page, so you can just look at them and see them. All right? There'll also be a summary assessment inside that first green folder. All right? I'd like to find out if you watched the video. Okay, and what you learned from it. So there's an assessment in there. The second folder is a gray folder. It has links to other helpful materials that are on the internet. It might be another couple videos, like a Khan Academy video, or something else to help you with the concept of that day in case you're having trouble understanding it. The purple folder has the Zoom meeting in there. All right? During class, we'll meet in Zoom, and we'll go over a vocabulary word. We'll have a little activity. We get the vocabulary words, and you'll get the answers. And then you take the answers and do the assessment. So you should do well with that assessment because we're going to do it together. All right, the second green folder will have another video where I will work through some problems underneath the document cam, like kind of the odd problems. And then you are responsible for doing the rest of the worksheet yourself. And we can work on it together in class. And also in there is an exit ticket. All right, you need to take that exit ticket. All right, that's maybe the most important thing each day. Also, there'll be a self-assessment where you just tell me, did you do the worksheet? All right, you can grade yourself on that. And yeah, sometimes I'm going to ask to see it. All right, but for the most part, I'm just going to let you grade yourself. All right? Guys, this is something from a book called How the Brain Learns. Might help you kind of understand my teaching style a little bit. Guys, the very top of this pyramid is a lecture. If you notice, the retention rate after 24 hours is only 5%. And we do a lot of that in school. We do a lot of lecturing. But not in my class. I just don't believe in it. I don't think it works that well. All right, I like to do the things at the bottom of this pyramid. You know, practice by doing it. You know, teaching others how to do it. That's how you learn it too. Help each other. And immediately use it. When I show you how to do something, you do it right away. Don't say, I'll do it tonight, or I'll do it this weekend. If you do it right away, you get it done faster and you learn it better. You retain it longer if you do it right away, okay? With that in mind, sort of the things I believe in. Guys, telling is not teaching. If I just tell you all the answers, I haven't taught you anything. You haven't really learned anything. All right, I believe in what's called guided discovery. I'll guide you in there as close as I can. I'm hoping that you can discover things on your own. That's when you really retain it and learn it, okay? Guys, in my class, wrong answers are incredibly valuable. I know that sounds strange, but I actually believe in wrong answers. One of the habits of highly successful people is that they're always making mistakes. You need to be willing to do that in my class. It's okay. You'll always have a chance to fix it. You'll always have a chance to fix your mistakes in this class. All right? I actually think students learn a concept even better if they get it wrong first, and then they get it right. All right? We'll talk more about that. Again, I believe in immediate use. I believe in rapid feedback. When you turn something in, I look at it right away, and we correct the mistakes as soon as possible. All right, I believe you should show other people how to do problems. All right, help each other. That's how you learn it. Guys, hard work is what leads to success. It's not just about being smart. There's a lot of smart people that aren't very successful. But there's a lot of people that work hard, and they're very successful. All right? Effort means a great deal to me. You try hard in my class, you're going to do okay. All right? Work hard. What I'm hoping is that you're what I call productively struggling without giving up. All right? Don't give up, guys. You're not going to understand it right away. It's okay. All right? Keep working. Keep trying. Now, real quick about me. I grew up in Eden Prairie. I went to Eden Prairie High School. Actually, my brother was the principal at Eden Prairie High School the last 15 years. He just retired this year. I went to St. John's University. I played football up there for the winningest college coach of all time. In my Bachelor of Science degree, I studied physics and math. Teaching is actually my fourth career. I was an industrial engineer for about 8 years. Then I moved to Baton Rouge, Louisiana. I was a business broker down there. I did very good at that. Okay, I did that for about 10 years. And then I was a web designer in Las Vegas. I lived out in Las Vegas for about 10 years as well. I designed websites for some of the biggest casinos out there. Guys, I've been working in schools for 8 years now. I started in the Indian education program at St. Paul. I had all Native American students between Harding, Como Park, and Central. I worked at Humboldt in what's called the At-Risk Youth Program. I had the West Side Boys. They were my students. And I really liked them a lot. So I stayed there and I did my student teaching at Humboldt. I worked a year at Duxie Academy, where I had all Somali students. And I worked a year at the Hmong College Prep Academy, where I had either Hmong or Karen students. So I spent 2 years with students that came from refugee camps. At Simley, this is my 4th year at Simley. Okay? Guys, I like sports a lot. And if you're in sports, let me know. All right? So I can come watch you after school. Or if you're in the band, or if you're in a play, or you're in the choir, let me know when you perform so I can come watch you. Okay? I have a couple relatives who are a little bit famous. All right, guys, Lindsay Whalen is my cousin. She coaches the Gopher girls basketball team. She played for the Lynx. She has 5 WNBA championships and 2 Olympic gold medals. Lindsay's grandfather and my mom are brother and sister. My mom's maiden name is Whalen. Allison and Ryan McCartan are my niece and nephew. Allison she played Fiona in Shrek off Broadway. And she's been in some Law and Order episodes, a number of things. And Ryan, you might know him. He was on the Liv and Maddie show. And he played, I think, like the bad pirate in Frozen, which has been stopped because of COVID. And y'all respect their privacy, please. Don't go emailing them or anything, okay? In case you know who they are. Guys, to contact me, email is probably the best. All right? There's my email address. Use it anytime. I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can, okay? If you need to call the main number, my extension is 7025. Again, I'll leave a message if I'm not there. And I guess that's it. All right, thanks a bunch, y'all. If you need to contact me, feel free. Thanks.